Hello friends, we are a bilingual renovation and decoration company based in Paris, and we are available in all districts of Paris and suburbs. We are a general construction company. That is to say, we have the capacity to carry out contracts for all trades. From partial renovations or repairs to complete renovation or remodeling of the apartment, our interior renovation company carries out new work as well as rehabilitation or the renovation work, structural reinforcement, as well as maintenance work. From the feasibility study, preparing of the quote, and to the execution and maintenance of a building, we provide our customers know-how and experience in construction and renovation to make their project a great success. We are available for light renovation to luxury or high-end renovation projects in Paris region. Our services include demolition, construction, renovation, electricity, plumbing, plastering, painting and wallpapering, floor renovation and tiling etc. For more information, please do not hesitate to contact us. We shall be happy to be at your service to establish a free quote for your renovation project in Paris.